welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. Today I was really feeling warm cranberry tones, so I put together this look for you all. The main focus of this video is the eyeshadow application. I do my brows and my base off camera. I have a ton of videos with brows included and also how I contour and highlight. So if you want to see that process, go ahead and check out some of my previous videos. We're going to jump right into this one. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So my base is already done. I've got my brows on, my foundation, and all of my setting powders. The only thing left to do is to contour, highlight, and bronze, and I'm going to do that after we complete the eye look. So I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer. I'm using the Tarte Tape Shape in the color medium. Just going to place a little on the lid and take a flat concealer brush and pat it in. I'm going to bring the concealer all the way up to the brow bone. You just want to pat this in until it dries down. The concealer is pretty much dry, so I'm going to go in with my first transition color. I'm going to use Sienna by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to place this all over my crease. For maximum pigment, you want to tap the color on and then go through and blend it. I'm going to warm the crease up a bit with Taza from the Saharan 2 palette. To make sure everything's well blended, I'm going to go back in with my first brush and a little bit of sienna on it and blend over the edges. For the lid, we're not going to cut the crease or anything today. I want to keep this eye tutorial kind of beginner friendly. For the first lid color, I'm going to take this one here from the Saharan 2 palette. Look how pigmented these Juvia Place eyeshadows are. This is with no Fix Plus or anything. For the next lid color, I'm going to dip into this one here and place it right beside the peach color. And then lastly for the lid, I'm going to pick up this color here. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with this color here. To deepen the outer V up just a hair, I'm going to go in with Beauty Marked by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to tap that right on the outer V. I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush to blend it all out. Before lashes, I'm gonna prep my eyes with some mascara. This is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I'm gonna be wearing Frosting Lashes by Cake Face Beauty. For brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Rose Gold. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Taza from the Saharan 2 palette. I'm also going to add that second color we applied to the crease. I'm going to connect the bottom lash line to the top. I'm going to take Beauty Mark by Anastasia Beverly Hills and darken up the lower lash line just a little bit. I'm going for a slight grungy look, so I'm gonna leave the outer portion of my eye just a little bit messy, not too clean or too sharp. For the waterline, I'm gonna go in with Costa Riche by MAC, which is a brown liner. We're pretty much done with the eyes, so I'm going to move back to the face. I'm going to contour with Bahama Mama by The Balm. I'm going to bronze using my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep. For cheek highlight, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Rose Gold. I'm also going to add that to the tip of my nose and down the bridge. I'm going to take a little bit on my Cupid's bow. For inner corner highlight, I want a pop of color, so I'm going to go in with this blue here. I'm not really feeling the way the blue turned out, so I'm going to go and lighten it up with the rose gold highlight. For blush, I'm going to take Cinnamon by NYX. I feel like only a gloss is appropriate for this look, so I'm going to go in with Sepia by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This lip color is rather dark, so I'm going to lighten it up with Spacesuit by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to set everything with Fix Plus by MAC. Okay guys, that wraps up this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video on Sundays and Wednesdays. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.